In terms of vehicle manufacture in India, this is hallowed grounds. In the last 20 years, this facility has produced at least 80 lakh cars. If you own or drive a Hyundai car, it probably started out as sheet metal right here in this facility. Starting from humble beginnings, Hyundai has evolved as a manufacturer, and this facility has evolved into one of the most environmentally conscious and technologically advanced facilities in the world. In fact, it's due to become a regional headquarter for Hyundai, which is big news. Welcome to Express Drives. My name is Dipayan Datta. Join us as we take a short stroll through Hyundai's Chennai plant in Sriperumbadur. Our tour of Hyundai's Sriperumbadur plant was started at the body shop. As thousands of cars whizzed by on various production lines, we noticed that most of the robots employed at the plant were also manufactured by Hyundai. Now, this is not something we see at every plant we visit. The more we observe these robots lay welds, seams and molds with almost unbelievable speed and accuracy, the more evident Hyundai's dedication to quality became. Now, once the robotic jobs are completed and the chassis is molded and pieced together, plastic panels are placed to ensure that there are no dents or deformations to the bodywork while the manufacturing process is on. Once this is done, the complete shell is then sent to the chassis marriage line. It's a strange name, I know, but this is perhaps the most important part of the manufacturing process. The chassis marriage line is where the chassis and the powertrain are brought together, of course under human supervision, with the help of some robots to do the heavy lifting. Each of the vital bolts that merge the two units are fastened using power tools in the hands of human operators. The remaining bits of the bodywork, such as doors, mirrors, bonnet and the bumpers, are also being lined up simultaneously. Once again, robots make heavy lifting jobs seem almost easy. After the motor is added, the chassis slides ahead to allow for human operators to install the rear suspension, which once again is lifted into the chassis instead of the chassis being dropped onto it. Once the car's fundamentals are laid out, the car is then sent to another shop where the final bits, including door molds, seats and the interiors of the car, are placed in. When the chassis finally returns to the body shop, it is transformed into a fully dressed car ready to hit the showroom floor. Obviously, before that, final checks are made to ensure that everything in order and not a bolt has been misplaced. After several tiers of checks and the car receiving an A-OK, the finished car leaves their exhaust booth and is ready to be shipped out to showrooms across India. We hope you enjoyed this video from Hyundai's Sriperumbadur plant in Chennai, where we tried to show you how a car goes from sheet metal to a finished product that you see here. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe these videos. And for more, log on to www.expressdrives.com.